to the Lord our Redeemer. Now is the time of God's favor. This is the day of salvation. Be reconciled to God. Be reconciled to God. For the love of Christ compels us. He has shed His blood for us, that we might live not for ourselves, but for Him who died for us. Come, give glory and praise to the Lord our Redeemer. Now is the time of God's favor. This is the day of salvation. Be reconciled to God. Be reconciled to God. We all live by faith and not by sight. We walk in the truth and light. We are all ambassadors for Christ. Now be reconciled to God. Come, give glory and praise to the Lord our Redeemer. Now is the time of God's favor. This is the day of salvation.